Migrate do? Does migrate push? Oh my. I am dumb. And I did the wrong command. The wrong drizzle kit command. Well, it worked out for us. It's good, I guess. But I am dumb. So here's the new, yeah, that's all. We just added a name. That's perfect. So what does migrate do? And then what's the difference in push and migrate? Migrate applies your migrations. What does push do? Are push and migrate synonymous? Riddle me this. Oh. Okay, so I should run migrate. I should run migrate now, right? I just generated a new one. Now this is gonna migrate my database to be in line. So we can check this. We can check this just like so. We'll go to planet scale. And let's just see if my database now has the name column, right? So branch, atom, tables. That's production. I want to go back to atom. What changes from what? From production? Probably. I actually want to look. Oh, that's what deploy requests are, isn't it? It's like I want to push to production, but I actually want to just look at my table, open web console. Yeah. Select all from user. Do we have a name? Email? Name is null. Perfect. Oh, fingerprint is null. That's not great. Why would fingerprint be null? What? That's a little concerning. I am connecting through SSH. Oh, there's no fingerprint in my case because of the localhost situation? I don't know. There's something about that. I remember Dax saying something. Push is for real man, or real men. I thought you said real man, for real man. But you said it's for real man. I gotcha. It syncs the DVD or drizzle schema. Probably the case. Okay, yeah. I think it just doesn't have fingerprint because it's local. That's fine. Okay. I think we're gonna have Sam on the podcast, by the way. Planet Scale Sam. I don't know if I should say things like that. If that's sensitive information. It's not. We don't really do surprises around here. Okay. Now I've got a user name, and I can set it in the API. So let's go to the API, the user API, if you will. And let's see, address, user info. I believe I put it there. Yeah, there's name. So I may not have to do anything here, actually. I just like to format that like that. Does anyone agree with me on this? If there's this, I know, like, I guess I see the argument for, like, as you add stuff to this, it'd be nice to not have to, like, the diff would look really bad. But I just like the way it looks like that. You see how clean it looks? Did you miss anything? You were tanning? No, you didn't miss anything, Paul. Literally nothing. You missed an ad break. And some database drama. I like this better. I don't care if it's worse from like a extending this code standpoint. It looks better, and aesthetics matter to me. It's why I don't use split keyboards. I'd rather it look nice. That's all. Same here. I'd rather it look nice, okay? I don't care. I don't care if it's worse. What's the motion to format it like that? The formatting is happening. Oh, you mean to hit, like, when something's on multiple lines and then I change it to be on one line? That's, for me, it's Shift J. I don't know if that's, like, if I want to move stuff up like that, that's Shift J. I don't know if that's the case for everybody. It might be a specific mapping of mine. Okay, we're fine. We got a user name now. So when I come back here into the payment form, here's what we're gonna do. This should now have a name, right? Oh, I bet I have to update stainless, right? I think I have to update stainless. Let's see, where do I do that? It's right here. It's button run SDK, but is there something I need to do first? Stainless. Let's see. It should just update whenever I do this. Yeah, button run SDK. This is such a weird process. This script that runs, this is so hokey, but whatever. That's standard for Shift J. Nice. Welcome to chat, Nixos, by the way. Do you use Nixos, by the way? What editor is this? It's NeoVim. I'd rather no arm pain. No arm pain? What was that in reference to, Adam? A no arm pain? I don't remember. You use NixOS, by the way? Nice. I've never looked into Nix. I feel like if I do, it's gonna be bad times because I'm gonna get obsessed or something. I have very obsessive personality, and I don't need something that's got like more time taken from me right now. Which theme, etc. My dot files. I think I have a command for dot files. You can check out my dot files. They live there. I may not have pushed the absolute latest, but mostly. Oh, split keyboard. Oh, you'd rather not have. Yeah, I got you. You'd rather have no arm pain than have good aesthetics. Well, see, that's where we differ. I'll take the arm pain. I don't care. Like wrists hurt because I just like care about the way my keyboard looks. Trade off. Worth it. But I'm kind of weird. Okay. Delete the branch. We just merged the thing. Let's go to go.mod. Man, thank you so much, Rick, for fixing my issue with the the thing. You know what I'm talking about. The invim tree thing. Oh, that was driving me so crazy. Okay. We updated that. Now I'm gonna do pushd packages go mod tidy. I gotta pick up the pace. We gotta pick up the pace. We're downloading the new SDK. Now I'm gonna go back over here, and name is going to exist. Feels good. Feels good when it updates. It's gonna update real good. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Where are you? Come on. No, come on. Where are you? Where's my LSP? What's going on? Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, restart the LSP. Maybe that's a problem. Aha! Shared user name is a string. Feels good. NixOS is a time suck for sure, and it's got a lot of rough edges and pitfalls, and it's also a trap because in spite of the things I don't like, I can't go back from my main machine. Oof. The thing is, I'm okay with time traps or time sucks. I've just got too many of them right now. Like, I'm a big fan of NeoVim because it's a hobby. It's a time sink hobby. It's so much fun. But I've not gone down the Linux time suck path yet. I think I will eventually. DHH is inspiring me. Welcome to chat. That's not a first message. What do you usually store date time as in your DB? String. Just ISO timestamps. Yeah. Timestamps or date times? Yeah. ISO. Yeah. Just an ISO string. As UTC. Yeah. Yeah. With a big old Z at the end. Okay. We're making progress. We're making progress. So we're going to pre-populate the name. We're going to pre-populate the email address if we have them. Validate not empty. And then email address should also be not empty. I'm not sure. I think we need to require email address here. So what? I think I need to do multiple. Yeah, compose. Just like this. So validate on email should be like this. No, it shouldn't. What? Let's just copy this whole thing. Email validate should be not empty. Email address, I guess. And then this thing. How do I do a function like that? How do I do a function? Validate dot func. Like that? I guess that's how it works. I guess. Expected selector. Oh, maybe that's not valid. Maybe that's not valid. No, that's not it. Can it just be like this? No. Not a value, missing 49. Okay, let's back up. Let's back up. So validate func string error. So we don't need these. Compose like this, right? Does that work? Missing. Oh yeah, that works. It just needs that. Yeah. Okay. So now we got the not empty, and it has to be a valid email address. Feels good. So we want to put the groups are going to be name, email address, card number, and then we're going to put expiry stuff in the second group. Just like that. Expiry month, expiry year, CVC, and zip. Feels good. Okay. We don't need compose on this one because it's just not empty. Although I feel like we maybe should... is digits should be true, right? But it could be a dash, right? We'll just leave it. I feel like not having any validation on zip is kind of bad, but whatever. If they type something bad, it'll throw an error. So, okay. We pass the email, we pass the name to the endpoint right down here. Name and email. Feels good. Is it called email in the form? Yeah. Name, email. Perfect. Okay. We're doing it. We're doing the thing. What is that, Johnny? Just use UUID v7. No. I would rather be stuck with VS Code. I like how people are so fast, but I feel as junior, it's a waste of time for me. Should rather focus on important skills. Yeah, I'll say this, Prom. I think early in my career, I did none of this stuff. I think it's only since I've kind of like gotten into the later stages of my career where I kind of want hobbies. I just want something to mix it up, keep it a little spicy. Like if programming got a little stale after 15 years, NeoVim kind of brought new life. It's like I'm excited to get in my editor again. I feel like we should extract that into the validate namespace, the new email validator thingy. Yeah, I guess we should, because we already have like all this stuff, right? Yeah, let's do it. We should. Yank. Good call out. This is a quick one. Oh, compose is something we wrote, huh? Huh. I thought that was built into That's the name of the thing. The name of the library is called and I hate saying it because it's... Oh, we made all these. I hate saying it because it's like, I need to talk to him about that. Okay, func. Why? Why? No! Okay, folding sucks. I'm now camp don't fold. That was so annoying. Okay, func is... We could call it email validator because we have... I don't know, we have CCN validator, but then we have a bunch of like must be, not empty. I don't know, we're going to call it email validator. It's fine. So then mail, we gotta do this and this. Why do we throw an error? Why do we throw an error in this one? But the other ones, we do what? We just return. I'm gonna do like that. I'm gonna return string. I feel like, well, I don't know actually. Is that the same thing? Oh, it just takes a string and then makes a new error from it? Well, it's just cleaner looking. Let's just do that. Okay, email validator does all that stuff. Now we can remove that thing, yeah. Okay, now we can come back over here. Just a little nerd snipe there. Totally fine. We're gonna just do that and validate email validator like that. Okay, can't be empty, and then we run the email validator. Feels good. Return an error. What are even other editors? None stand as easy to use as VS Code. See other editors. Welcome to chat, Gusta. Its video quality is so good that it seems to be made by AI. I am not made by AI. I am a real human being. No, 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 no. Yeah, you can definitely use Vim inside VS Code. I do recommend learning Vim early as you can in your career. I wish I would have done it earlier because it's real nice for editing text. But I would probably stay away from the like ricing out Linux and your editor and all that stuff, NeoVim, all that. Although I love NeoVim, it's hard for me to tell people not to use it. But I'd probably early in my career focus on actual programming, and then when you get older, you'll have hobbies like keyboards and NeoVim and whatever. Something AI would say. It's fair. Can you send me some resources to learn from? You guys are talking. Okay. That's exactly what an AI would say. I am not an AI, but that is exactly what they would say. I don't like that this one's called CCN validator because CCN does not immediately register as a card number for me, but whatever. I can't slow down. I gotta keep moving. Okay, where's that form? Right here. Number, yeah, I just want to make sure. Get clean card number. Okay, month, year, zip. Okay, we're good. We're good. Payment is done again. We finished payment again. I had done it once, now I've done it twice. Payment form is done. Okay, back to shipping. Oh, what's wrong en route? Oh. What? That's no longer the name of that thing. What? User shipping. Huh. User shipping list response result. Let's look at this PR because something changed materially, and I don't love it. I don't love it. What changed? We just added name to the user. So why would that not exist? Oh, I didn't look at release 19. What did 19 do? Uh-oh. I skipped from 18 to 20. Oh boy, here we go. This is the kind of thing I could lose 10 minutes on. I don't have 10 minutes to lose. What is it? What happened? I feel like Dax did this. I feel like this was Dax. Shipping alias to an internal type. Well, maybe this is a good change. There's always that chance. Shipping. Oh, it's just called shipping now. Yeah, this is better. It's no longer user shipping new response result. It's just a shipping. Haha, feels good. Thanks, Dax. If Dax did that, whoever did that. I've been trying to use NeoVim for Java Dev. Setting up a JDTLS was pretty intense. Is that the language server for Java? I'm a Java noob. That's all I did in college, but I don't remember. Yep. Is the Java LSP good? Is it good? Like TypeScript has a really good LSP, I think. Is the Java one good? How would we know if it was bad? I don't even know. So I like this. I like that this is now a shipping. That feels really nice. I don't know who did that. It could have been me, and I just don't remember. Could have been Dax. I just don't like giving Dax credit for really anything. Okay. Shipping. Look at us shipping. So did I fix root? Yeah, I fixed root. So now I kind of feel weird having it be addresses, but we'll code golf later. And right now we're gonna keep moving. I do want to fix cart because that's a little like regression. What did I do? Could not import terminal SDK go. Yeah, you can. What are you talking about? Sure you can. What are you talking about? Cannot. No required module provides package terminal SDK go. Yeah, sure it does. This is not true. This is false, fake news. I'm just gonna ignore that one. I don't know why it's doing that. That's pretty annoying, but here I need to change. What? Oh, what now? What's going on with that? I don't love it. Let's do. Also, what is that? What is resource? Oh, I know what resource is. I'm gonna kill NeoVim. I don't know what to think about that. Package API. Okay, is it not loaded yet? Are there going to be errors? No. Okay. Splash. I feel like there's somewhere in here. Yeah. So why didn't that? Oh, it did flag it. Okay, cool. Shipping. Okay. And then cart's good now? So that was just a fluke. Okay. Final, confirm. So we're gonna go shipping, then confirm, then final, then we're done. In that order. Specifically in that order. Here we go. Those are shipping now. Get selected address. Okay, here we are. This is where we left off. We are going to provide a name and an email. No. I fixed the payment form. So now the user should have an email address. No, it won't. Oh, we got ads. Is it ads time already? I'm gonna snooze that one. It's not ads time. 5 minutes. We'll do ads in 5 minutes. TypeScript LSP crashes once every few hours now. Oh, it doesn't for me. But I don't know. I'm using NeoVim. Maybe that's why. The nice thing about Vim motions is you can start small. Yeah. I'm gonna agree with everything he's saying right there. What was I gonna say to you guys? I came over here for a reason. Oh yeah. The API is not automatically going to set the username and email address. We actually need to make that change. Let's make that change before the ad break. We actually need to make it because right now, where do I want to do that? So I collect the information on the payment form. And am I requiring name? Yeah. So they have to put in a name and an email address on this form. I need to now set that on the user so that all subsequent stuff can use it, if you know what I mean. So how do I want to do that? Because we make an API called a stripe to create the card. And then right here, we call set card. This is where I want to actually also update the user. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to optimistically update. Is this the only place I need to do this? I feel like there might be somewhere else. Yeah, okay, so there's two spots. Two spots where we do set card, right? Can I do it in the set card function, or is that that's a little not what that function says it's gonna do? So I'm gonna do it out here. So if you choose a payment method, oh no, it won't be in this case, because in this case, choosing a payment method, you didn't just enter in your email and your name. It's only when you create a new one. So that usage of set card doesn't matter. It's this one. So when you get a new token back from Stripe, that means you just created a new payment method. That means you just provided email and name. Okay. So in this scenario, we're gonna move over to the shipping page. But before I do, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna say m.user.name equals what's this response? What is this response from card new? No, it's not on there. It's on the m.state.payment.form. Does the form still have the value on it? I don't actually know. Oh, you know what? We should do this somewhere else. I know where we're going to do this. Right here. This is when we actually collect the name and the email. So I'm going to do it like right here. I'm going to say right here, name. Yep. And email. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna say this is name. This is email. What was wrong with that? Oh, Stripe. I gotta do this. Yeah. Name. Email. Okay. So that's good. But now I also want to set it on the m.user.name equals name. This is just an optimistic update. I'm just telling, I'm just updating my local state so that now, like, the shipping form isn't even, like, everything now in the current session has it, but we haven't saved it to the user, right? So we also need to save it to the user. I guess I should just do that in here. I should do that in here. So I'm gonna do it right here, actually. We're gonna update the user here. m.user. Well, first I'm gonna call, let's see, let's go splash. Because we make this call here in splash, right? Yeah, client user me context. Okay. Right here, I'm gonna say m.client. What's wrong with that? Can I use what? m.client user.me. Ad starts in 20 seconds. Okay, we're getting ready to go to ads. Do I want to use my last snooze? I feel like I don't want to use my last one, you know? I just don't want to snooze the last time. Okay, I'm just gonna stare at you guys. 10 seconds, ads are gonna start. I'm just gonna come over here and talk while the ads are going so that people don't miss anything. I'll see you in a minute. You guys are gonna watch some ads, sorry. But so we don't have pre-roll. Pee time, I don't really have to pee. I'm just gonna stare. So many ads. I know, Ocelot, this is how many ads you have to run if you don't want anybody to watch pre-roll ads. So it's basically every 30 minutes. How do I feel about that? I don't know. I don't love having ad breaks every 30 minutes, although I do need to pee a lot. So why do you never see ads? I think it depends on your region. Yeah, I don't think everybody gets them. Just some regions get them. I don't know if it's US. I don't know. But yeah, the deal is everyone is going to get pre-roll ads if you don't run mid-roll ads. So if I run them in the middle, nobody coming into the channel has to watch pre-roll. But I have to run them every 30 minutes. You love ads. Welcome to chat, Baby Sprinkle. Welcome to chat, Phil Kerr. Zero ads, gotta love living in a non-English speaking country. Oh, let me get my coffee going. I'm making some more coffee. Too important for ads. You're a VIP. I'm making coffee. Hang on. Still ads? No, ads are over? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm making coffee. Almost done. Almost done. Enjoy the bird sounds. All right. For Dax? What's for Dax, Nixia? I'm doing a painting stream. Just got the canvas on the wall ready. Yo, Dax, what's up? Dax would clip that butt. What just happened? What coffee grinder? Oh, great question. The coffee grinder is a what are they called? Fellows Ode something. It's the one Dax has. I made a lot of coffee in Miami when we were down there launching this thing. And then I came home and I ordered all the same stuff. Imagine if you turn the lamp off and the light effect on painting still exists. Is there a painting in the background? Okay. The guy has two purely white paintings to symbolize his needing to have unfinished sideburns. They're not paintings. Those are sound panels. Okay. What's going on, Dax? We made coffee. Hey, Dax, I'm not gonna look at Discord. Can you answer my question here in Twitch chat? Did you see my question about planet scale? Is it just when you go to production? Is that all that matters? I'm gonna go over here. Fellow Ode, the one with nice magnets. Yes. It does have a magnet. It's nice. The whacker clip thing. What is the whacker clip thing? What is that? By the way, Dax, have you ever been follow-botted? Not a lot of fun. Just look at Discord. Okay, yeah, fine, whatever. If you actually replied, I should read it. Not make you say it twice. Basically, migrations are just keeping in sync with each other. Production branch doesn't use migrations. We do deploy requests and merge them in. That's cool. Shouldn't need to use migrations at all, but just oh, okay, interesting. Okay. What's wrong with this? Oops. What's wrong with this? User, that's fine. What's this? Cannot use m client user me by type error as string value. In assignment. Is error a string? Did we already define error? Oh, error's already defined. That's fine. Whatever. Error 2. I really got to do some error handling at some point. We're going to have to come through and clean all this up. But we got a user now, and I want to set m.user equals user. Oh, what? What's wrong? Like that? Nope. Why can't I do that? What is this? Shared user. Result. Result. Okay. That should be good then. So we are kind of like doing this in the flow here. It's fine. Is this asynchronous? This might be asynchronous. What is this? No, it's not, because we do submitting. It's fine. I want to get the latest user. We just updated their name and their email address, so I wanna put that in there. Okay, so we optimistically updated them. That was kind of pointless because we're just getting ready to turn around and do this. We should do this out of band. How would I do that? The way I would do that is, here's how I would do that. I would move this stuff up here. Okay, and then instead of just returning one message, I would return a t dot parallel. No, t dot. What is it? They have like serial and no. Like they have batch. Performs a bunch of commands concurrently with no ordering guarantees about the result. Yeah. To return several commands. Okay. I thought there was like a t dot tick. Yeah. Where's the? Okay, we're gonna do batch, and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go to it. I thought there was one in here that was like sequence. Yeah, sequence runs them in order. Isn't there? Is batch just the other thing you would do? Either sequence or batch. Every is an a tick. Sequentially, use sequence instead. Okay, so it is. It's just batch. So we're gonna do batch. And then you just pass in different functions, right? Yeah. Yank like that. And then down here. Yeah. It's just like that, right? Yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna do m.user. We'll do this up here too. That's the optimistic update. And then this one is where we're gonna do this stuff. Do I want to do like a user updated message? I don't. We'll just return m.user. Okay. So that means that's not gonna wait. The Stripe credit card stuff can all do its thing without waiting on the user update, and then we just kind of do this in the background. That's fine. Isn't there a flick thing to help with coffee retention? What? A flick thing? Adam's stream has all these slick looking graphics and transitions, but he codes in literally the ugliest font. You guys don't like my font, huh? Started using Geist Mono Vercel Nerd font. That's what we use for terminal branding. Breath of fresh air to see Neo Vicmand, not the obscene level of customized Emacs users I work with. Ooh, I never see people using Emacs. I don't have that in my life. Oh, NeoVim and. Got it. Let me grab my coffee. It's done. I just gotta grab it. I love my font. I don't know. I love this. I love Victor Mono. I love the cursives of Operator Mono. I don't know what you don't like. I think you don't like the cursive. Okay, so here we go. That is now in parallel, but we've now captured the username and email address, which feels good because we're going to need it. Excuse me. We could make this a little cleaner. Like we could say, right? We could just do that instead. Okay. Feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good about that. Now we have the name and the email address. That's all I care. That's all I was trying to accomplish. And now when we go into the shipping view, nope, that's not the one. That's the one. Now in here, we should have, the name is just pre-populated. It's just pre-populated. So when we look at the form here, name, we can say m.state, this is m.user.name, right? We can just pre-populate it, just a little convenience there. If we have a username, we'll throw it on there so that you don't have to retype it. This stuff, though, I'm not sure. We're going to come back to this stuff. I think there is a reason I was setting that before. It's so that this form state is restored in certain cases when there's errors. But we'll come back to it. Okay, choose address. We went through all that code. That was good. I'm actually going to collapse some code if I know it's good. And by good, I mean complete. Not necessarily good. The code isn't good, but it's complete. The name is the Adam.vegan. Or Tviagen. Adam.tviagen. I got it. Common Lisp. What does your company build? Is there not a silver metal lever on the right of your grinder, which you pull down? There is. Oh, that's the bangy thing. That's what you're talking about, Rick. I gotcha. I still want to give Emacs a fair shot someday, but the switch is hard. I can't imagine wanting to switch. Like, I went through all the trouble of learning Vim. Maybe if I hadn't done that. But, like, can't imagine wanting to switch to Emacs, having done all that work. I'd say the best font is the one you can read and not get a headache or eye pain. Question, Fizzy. Do you get a headache or eye pain from my font? The bangy thing. That's right. Technical term. Okay. Let's see. So shipping list update. I do want to look at this code real quick. If it's a left, right, or tab, we go to next address. That's no longer correct. This is going to be, actually, I'm going to go to payment, and I'm going to copy this one. Payment list. Yeah, this is the new stuff. Okay. And this one. Oh, no, this one. Yep. Okay. Next address, previous address, because we're going to change the way those are rendered as well. So this one is now good. Shipping form update, we just were working on this. Let's just look through this. Name, line 1, line 2, city, state, country, zip. And then when we get the result back, how do we want to proceed? So the result is a user shipping new response. And with that, we want to do what? I guess we'll just return it. Let's go to payment form update. Payment form update. And let's look at how I handle the response. So you get a result back and an error, and we just return result, which is a Stripe token. It's a little different in that, yeah. Let's just copy this, and then we can say, like, I've already done that part, so we're just going to return result. So if we get a user shipping new response, we're going to handle that up in the update. Oh, it's right here. So instead of an order response, it's a terminal. And I don't know if it should be one of these. I don't know yet. User shipping new response. So we're assuming if you create a new shipping address, we want to set that. We want to set your shipping to that, which we have a set shipping. Yeah. Wait. Set what? Set address? Set shipping? Did I make up that we just created a function for this? Choose address. Oh, we called it choose address. Let's call it, what do we do in payment? Oh, come on. Set payment. Set card. Is that it? Choose payment method. Choose payment method. So we have choose payment method and choose address. That's fine. Whatever. It's fine. Naming, I'm not too concerned about. So this should be m.choose address. No. Yes. And it takes in a what? What does it take in? Oh, it returns it turns a model in a command. So there we're doing shipping. Okay, cool. So we're going to return this actually. And it does the switch to confirm. Yeah, okay. And then this is visible error. I want to see what I did on payment. So payment update. Yeah. Oh. List versus form. We're not doing that. This is just shipping update. Oh, we do this stuff first. Interesting. And then we do this. I don't know about that. Why is that different? Shipping. Oh, we do the same thing. No, that's shipping. Payment update. Payment update. So what did we do? Did we handle the commands different? Okay. So we just put that directly in here, maybe? Yeah, okay. I actually like that better. We're going to treat payment as the source of truth. It's going to be the way we do things. So shipping update. We're going to put this stuff in the form update. Is that where I want it? Yes. Okay. So I just want to cut these out. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's good. Well, I don't know why it didn't format. Apparently the official term is grind knocker. Huh. First thing I'm going to do once you guys accept EU order is to GDPR so hard. Stop it, Paul. Submit an order. What are you talking about, Dax? Submit an order? Are you just telling me to like be done and submit an order? Like be done already? Can you issue GDPR takedown requests through Twitch chat? Probably not, right? The knocker thing. SSH GDPR requests? Oh boy, we're in trouble, Dax. Paul knows things about the law. About the law. We're in trouble. Took 2 weeks, really? Okay. Why am I not satisfied? Update shipping form. Okay, so if it's a shipping form update, but it's none of these things, we didn't return from any of those cases, that's when we do this thing? Why did this, well, what went wrong here? Commands undefined. Oh, did I delete something I shouldn't have? I might have deleted something. Yeah. I should have just deleted that, and I deleted too much. Okay. Well, why didn't it format those though? Okay. Oh, because it was in the right spot. That's the right spot. Choose address. So if there's a user shipping new response, we do choose address, which does the work of setting the card, I believe, or setting shipping right here. We optimistically update shipping ID, and then why is that a batch? It's just one function. Why'd we Oh, because there's an existing command. Yeah. Okay. So then we switch over to the confirm. If you choose address, but you choose the new one, we just switch over to the form. Okay, that's all good. Visible error. Shipping error message. Yeah. No. Yeah. Confirm submitting. Why confirm submitting false? That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right. That should be shipping submitting false. That was just a bug. Okay. And then shipping switch. No. We're on shipping. This should be, oh yeah, it should be shipping switch. That's right. Okay. Update shipping form. All this is good then. Okay, this whole function is done. Let's just collapse all that. So now shipping update is clean, just like the other one. And then shipping view. So if shipping submitting, we return calculating shipping costs. And then if it's the shipping list view, we show the list view. Otherwise, a form view feels good. What's this? Format address. Okay. This is going to be a terminal address. And what do we need to do? That's going to be like street 1. Yeah. And street 2. That's also street 2. This is the province. Sounds so fancy when you say province. Can't do espresso. What are we talking about? We just banned all of Europe? That's right. Can't order coffee from Europe yet. But eventually. Dax, does the GDPR stuff matter to us? Are we going to be like slow, not just finding a roaster, but also GDPR? Chat messages.csv and minute watched CSV are gold mines. Oh man, Bertrand, could you make those public, please? Focus. We reject GDPR. Let them come. Okay, format address, done. Shipping list view. Okay, we're getting into stuff here. We're getting into it. This probably needs to be like that. Customer format address, customer shipping address. So the shipping list view, we're listing out all the different addresses. What? What? Content should be a list of things. This should model how the payment stuff works. So let's go back to payment. What's the equivalent? Payment list view, payment list view. Turns out it's a list. It is a list of things. Yeah, see, we do like a for range thing. And then we create the box. Oh, in a box. Shipping. Okay. So instead of content just being a dumb thing like that, content's going to be a dumb thing like this. We're going to call these addresses. For m.addresses, card is going to be address. Format last four, no, not doing that. The content is going to look like a format address. Yeah. Formatted format address. Is it m.format address? M.format address? Yeah. Address. Is that an actually? No, it's a shipping address. Address.address. I love when that happens. That's not a sign that I did something bad. If you're in Missouri, are you starting your stream at like 5 a.m. your time? Yes, Frayed, I am. Are you in Missouri? No, you will not make all your chat messages public. Why not, Bertrand? The people want to know. You say all these things publicly. I'm going to drop by and make Adam focus from time to time. Triv. Thanks, Triv. I appreciate you. With GDPR, it'll just be as simple as forget me. Although, are you just doing guest checkout anyway? When you say guest, Rhode Island, huh? What makes it a guest checkout? I'd like to say that's what we're doing. I don't think it's what we're doing, though. Formatted. I don't need any of this stuff. Content. This is just content. Content, and I don't need content width. That's all it is. Oh, did I need to do something like with join vertical left? No. Method. So this is going to be address. Oh, wait, we can't do that. Item. Box. Oh, in a box. Sorry, I keep doing that. I can't stop. Box. We're adding a box to the addresses. That makes sense. Works for me. Append. Do we need to make it? Yeah. I equals m.state.payment address. No, shipping selected. Yeah. Okay. Options goes away. Content goes away. Option. All that goes away. these, okay, so then addresses, append, addresses, new address. Create box, add new. We're not going to put new lines around it. That's the old dumb way. We're not doing that anymore. New address index is not 1. Nope. Payment list view. Add start in 47 seconds, huh? I do have to pee, so. I feel like ads are constant. Does anyone else feel like the ads are just constant? Length of the addresses. m.addresses. Okay. Why are the ads so frequent? Addresses. It's because Bezos or something. I don't know. All right, 20 seconds. Hi, which web cameras are you using? Sony a7S III. We need to expose an endpoint on user to set that. At what point in the flow do we collect email? Hey Dax, I already did it. I did it while you were sleeping. We're collecting email during payment and name, and I'm putting them on the user object. You're welcome. I'll see you guys after the ads. I gotta go pee. I'll be right back. I have clients because that got in GDPR trouble for using Google Fonts. What? Welcome to chat, Foreg. So if a user requests their data, you need to send it to them. Man, GDPR sounds awful. Technically, I can already request my data from Adam because he earns money from streaming. Do I? He's actually been quite productive. I actually have. I'm actually like kind of flying around, Dax. It's kind of impressive. Apart from the politics. Yeah, we did talk about that. And we got follow-botted, and that was a little distraction. I did call you Indian because you are Indian. Then he said Trump was going to win. Not sure how it all fits together, but kind of sus. I did not say that. He wasn't going to vote. Yeah, I did go into that. How it just feels apathetic. Music sounds like it could be in a Jackbox game. Welcome to chat, Miles to Budapest. Not budget, Budapest. First time dropping in, loving the style of the stream. Keyboard sounds amazing. Had a feeling it would be a mode. It is a mode. Do you use mode keyboards? I don't run into a lot of people that know what mode keyboards are. They're so good. The wait music. Yeah, there's like a Sonic theme One of them sounds like a sonic thing. Big tech practices lead to GDPR. Then place the order. Place it. I'm not done yet, Dax. Okay. I'm just realizing, actually, I'm not sure if I did do the email thing right. Let's look. I'm not actually sure. Place it. Oh, my word. I'm not actually sure that I did it right. Hang on. I definitely did it. I just don't know if I did it right. So here we do the user. Okay, I'm setting it optimistically. And then here I'm doing something. That's just getting the user. I'm not actually setting it per se. Why did I do that? Why did I think getting the user would somehow magically update? So we need to actually create an endpoint, like Dax just said. I'm glad you said those words, Dax. The fact that you said the words, we need an endpoint to update the email address, like that's what triggered in my mind, like, oh, I didn't actually do that. Know what I mean? We are losing $1 million a day for not being up. Yeah, I'm working on it, okay? $1 million a day. That's funny. Hey, could you not pin the place it? I guess it is a good focus reminder. Okay, so we have a create. We just need like an update from customer ID. I just need to, so we have add shipping. I could do like an add email address. They actually have opinions on what this API looks like for updating a user. Should just be a generic update. I actually want your opinion, Dax. Whenever you're here, I just feel like asking you these questions. If you weren't, I would have just made a call, but you know. Then place the order. Would you get that out of my face? I don't like the pinning. I don't love the pinning. Can we not pin? Hey Dax, do you want it to just be a generic update user and it takes in like everything? Yeah, generic update. Okay, that's what we'll do. Export const update. I want to see if you already have one. Nope, no updates in this whole repo. Are you kidding me? Am I gonna have to like write new novel code? Edit. That's close. Edit a product. That's close. I'm gonna copy this. I don't like starting from scratch, okay? I don't like it. I'm capable. I just don't like it. We're gonna call it update though. I don't like edit. Info, pick, name, true, description. It's gonna be name and email. Oops. What did I just do? Okay. Email, true, ID. Yes, ID has to be there. Name and email are optional. Anything else we'd want to update on the user? Probably not. Not fingerprint, not Stripe customer ID, no. Optional for both. Yeah. That's hilarious, Rick. Remove the pin, and then, of course, pinned. Let chat place our orders first. Okay, we got partial on those, and then use transaction, update a user table. Email. Okay, user table, external ID, input ID. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, we have an update. Let's do, let's add to the API. User. So it'll be, we have get me. Should it be a put me? I guess it should be a put me. It's kind of weird sounding. Not weird conceptually, but weird sounding. Put me. And then let's see, the 404 user not fine. That's fine. Content is going to be, so it's going to respond with the user. Yeah, that's fine. But the actual code, oh, we need to put a body in here. So I'm going to copy that from something. Post, sure. Right here, put me, so request body schema is going to be user schema a dot partial, no, dot pick. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Is there a way to I guess I have to do it like this. pin GDPR creating jobs since 2016. That's right. That's what I wondered, Dax. Could I infer it from the function? So update. So here is this is what I need. User update schema. Is it that easy? User update. So my question, Dax, is how does that work with the OpenAI API stuff? Oh, God. Schema. No. What? User update schema? That's not it. Is it like infer or thing? I'm back. Did you do the thing yet, Adam? A sinher. Oh, I was supposed to say something to Dax, wasn't I? Is that what you were talking about? We need to fix the function helper. Go find that. Okay. Function. It's in like utils. Oh, do you have this like in one of your projects or something? What am I doing in here, Dax? What was I supposed to do when Dax was here? Oh no, Sinher, you're talking about something I said I'd clean up later. Yeah, I'm gonna clean it up later. Asking about the migrations. Yes, I did that Ocelot offline. I did it on Discord. Instead of returning function, assign it to a variable. How about this, Dax? How about this? How about this? What if I just did this? Is it in Radiant? Is this a good guess? Did I just lose any time I was gonna save by being cute and coming in here? Oops. That's it. It did it. I think it's there. Can I just copy this? It might be a little different. Let's see what happens. It's a little different. Okay, what are you saying? It's probably the same concept though. So do var schema equals you can't copy it. It's definitely an SST console. Like exactly. It's exactly how it needs to be. Okay, well let's do that. Let's just kill this whole thing. Actually, I have this cool yeah, console. Yeah. Get pull. Packages, core, source, util. What? Where is it? Zod? Yeah. You call it Zod in here? Does that sound right? Okay. Nope. A little different. It's 2 lines. Let's just fix it. Don't copy it. Just implement it. Yeah, let's just fix it. So you're saying schema. I'm frustrating Dax. You said do var schema equals schema. So you're saying instead of returning, call this const schema. Is it const? Should I do const? And then instead of do return var dot schema. What are you saying? Welcome to chat, Vox Ferox. No, Adam, look at the code. Okay, let's look at this. Result. Oh, the whole thing. Okay. I love it. I love it so much. Oh, it's so funny. Okay, let's just do this. I wish I didn't get so much pleasure out of, so this is what it was, out of annoying you, Dax. Okay, so input, so instead of return function, this is const result equals that, right? And then result dot schema equals schema, or I guess arg1. Yeah, okay. And then return result. Fine. This is a beautiful function and it's so simple. Don't ruin it. Did I fix it? Is it good? Can I get a thumbs up, Dax? Men call necklaces changed for the same reason they call buns man buns. We need to differentiate from femininity. Don't tell Dax though. Way to go, Dax. Way to be, way to subconsciously be just trying to differentiate from femininity. Okay, I've officially decided I like this pattern. Me too. After 2 years of using it. Everyone always asks me when I share code, or like in the workshop and stuff, they're like, what is this function utility? What's it do? And now I kind of get the whole thing. So schema, there it is. So my only question, Dax, is will this work with the open API stuff? Because it's not now deriving from one of these things. Does that matter? Does it matter that it doesn't have anything in the... You'll put it in a package? Yes! Do it, Dax. Do it! It's okay? Okay. Okay, so this returns, or it accepts an update schema. That feels good. Ooh, that does feel good, Dax. That feels real good. I want this in my other projects now. I really need it in a package. Could you please, Dax, please just put it in a package so I can stop with all the copying and maintaining 4 versions of the same thing. Okay, it returns a result or user. Yeah, it's good. Now instead of this, we are in the... Are we in the put me? Yeah. Instead of user from ID, it's going to be user update c.body or something. .json maybe. What is it? Let's look in the post. c.request valid JSON. Is there a shortcut for this, Dax? Is that not the right way to do it? I wonder if you've already made like a little something for that. But that's what I'm going to do. I will put it in a package. I just need a cool name. Yeah, come up with a cool name. I'm not paying attention. Do you mind showing this super amazing util? Please put it in a package so we don't have to go through that again. Yeah, no kidding, project. That feels good, Dax. Need to clip that. Oh, don't do that. Please don't. Add it to the montage. Please don't. Result. Expression of type void. So update doesn't return anything, huh? Well, that's not good. We got to fix that. Let's see, await transaction. So we're gonna do a return for one thing. Oh, or no, I don't need to do return. I just need to do, because this returns void. Yeah, I just need to return here. Like that. And what does this return now? What does it return? Not a user. Do I need to do like, because this is an update operation. Does that, in MySQL, does that default? Shippo asks for box dimensions, but no carrier cares about that. So I just put it in a fixed dimension. Yeah, it's fine. Hey, Dax, do I need to, I wouldn't ask you this normally because I would just figure it out. But in MySQL, an update operation. I don't have to do returning. That's Postgres, right? But do you just want me to refetch it? Do you want me to just await and then refetch the user to return the user? Or do you even want me to return the user? Maybe you don't even want me to return it. Maybe just don't even return it. Let's look what you did in the product. There was a post in here. Or what'd you do in edit? Yeah. Oh, you don't return it. So let's not return it. Just like this. I guess it's possible there won't be a user, in which case what will happen? Update user, it'll fail. I don't know. It'll fail or something. Result is going to be await user dot get or something. Let's look what we do in the actual user from ID, use user ID. Okay. What's wrong? Result. What did I do? Am I in the right function? Argument of type, result, non-assignable type, result name, ID, fingerprint. Did I not do something right? Await user update, const user equals. What is this? Oh, it could be undefined. If it's undefined, so if not user, throw new. This is where we do our, this thing. Okay. Oh, and then I gotta, okay. Feels good. Done. Oh, I gotta update stainless. So now we have a user, where's product? List. Do we not have any examples of an update? What's the name for it? Like, these have weird names that I don't know where they come from. Create, delete, list. What should it be? Just update? Put user me. Is it update Dax? You define the result above. Don't return the user. Oh, okay. So I just don't return the user. You define the result. Sure. Define the result above. Yeah, I did that. You're saying don't return it from the API even? Because I was just going to fetch it again and return it from the API, but you're saying don't even do that? Or are you saying don't return it from the core function? Because I'm not returning it from the core function, but I need to know. Ignore those messages are old. Okay, cool. We are going to return it from the API then. That sounds good. Okay, that's all done. I got to generate a new SDK. Oh, what's that error? Unexpected build error. Whatever. I don't care. Bun run SDK. Did I update? You're on the toilet. Cool. Good talk. Update. Put user me. Run SDK. I thought it was just me who watched it from the toilet. What's up, Lithium? Imagine Dax is sitting in a jacuzzi smoking a cigar while using speech to start at him. That's funny. Pair programming via chat is the best. I know it's terrible. It drives Dax crazy, which is kind of the best, actually. Kind of is the best. I feel like we do need a low friction way, Dax, for you to just quickly get in my ear in these situations. In the event that you want to, like, not that you have to every time I'm programming. It's not like I need you over my shoulder all the time. But in the event that we kind of actually are pair programming and it makes sense to pair program, we should have a quick and seamless way for you to just be in my ear. You know what I mean? A Discord call works. I want the chat to hear it, and then I have to update. I got to update my overlays to be able to handle that because right now it's not good. Neuralink chips, that's an option. A little heavy-handed, but it is an option. So a phone call? Yeah. No, the issue is only playing the audio over Twitch. Like I want it to be in my stream. And my desktop audio setup is not great. Filter Dax's message to NVIM buffer. That would be interesting. Just pipe him straight into my editor. Okay, we got a new SDK. Let's go over here. New SDK. Pull requests. Should be on 21. Yes, we are. Yes, sir. Rebase and merge. Man, caffeine, though. Hell of a drug. Dax playing tech support almost as if it's in his genes. Ooh. I think it would be more useful if we had a quick and seamless way to turn on your Oh, Dax. I love you. Welcome to chat. an17. an17. Delete branch. Go.mod. You make fun of me, Dax, but I am moving today. I'm moving. You know what I mean? Go mod tidy. Push D. Packages go. Go mod tidy. I'm not messing around. I'm kind of moving. We're gonna get back to the place where I need to call the thing on the front end, which is where? Not here. There. Right here. In client user me. So now what we really need to do is we need the LSP to update. And it's not. Let's restart it. I am kind of surprised you didn't you don't have more commits than me. Well, Dax, I think commits are a meaningless metric. You know what I mean? I don't think commits are indicative. Like I work for like a week and a half straight before I commit. Like Sometimes I commit one commit and it's giant. Sometimes I commit, but I guess the lines of code, you smoke me on that front too. I'm not a chatty committer. I don't commit often. Let's see. Okay, that's there. So that means we should be able to do this. User update. Yeah, boy. We sure can. Params. Nope. I want anything but that one. Should have looked before yeah, that's good. Okay, params. These are going to be user update params. It's going to be what? User update params. ID, email, and name. So ID is m.user.id. And then name is terminal string. That one should be string too. Oops. String. Terminal string m.user.name. Okay. And then I really wish Go format was a little more. It was a little more like prettier, you know, a little more opinionated, a little less leaving me to it. User.email. Like, Dax, why does the Go format not do things like, I don't know, format it on a different line? Because obviously it should be on different lines. Why doesn't it? Why is it not prettier? Why is it not prettier? Params. Okay, so this is going to be the new user. I don't need to do user.me anymore because, yeah, I can get rid of the ugly 2 thing because I got a new function scope. Feels good. His wife actually is the cameraman. Yes, right. Welcome to chat, Fakest. And you mean code? Okay. That's the most insane camera angle I've ever seen on a live stream. Well, that's very kind of you, Fakest. Or maybe that wasn't kind. You said insane, so maybe... nice camera effect there from behind looking like it's moving. Actually, Carbani, I don't like to talk about it, but it is actually moving. It's physically moving. Welcome to chat, Nan Codes. No way I heard best practices for every task done. Oh, you heard best practices for every task done for commits. Like do a commit for every task. Is that the best practice? I think you're trolling. I think you're just messing with me, but that's fine. You can use Go lines for that if you want. Oh, Go lines. Thank you so much, Nixos. 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 It's overkill in the best way. I love that. I love to hear that. That's kind of my life. That's my, like, my whole vibe is overkill in the best way. Well, maybe not the best way. Haven't finished the task yet. It's so true. We're going to snooze these ads because I don't have to pee. And I don't got time for that. I do wish I didn't have to run ads every 5 minutes or every 30 minutes. It's just so much. Go lines. Okay, I really want to remember to do this. Can someone send me a DM that says set up Go lines? I'm just going to put it over here, so maybe I'll remember. I won't. Go line format that fixes long lines. Feels good. That's what I want. Okay, what did we do? We updated the... So this was a little nerd snipe where Dax was like, we need an endpoint where you can update the user email and name. And I was like, I did that. And I was like, oh, actually, I didn't do that. And now we're done. Finally, nerd snipe done. Let's go back to shipping. Oh, there's no errors in shipping? Have we made more progress than I realized? Look at this. No errors. Feels good. So use selected address, create new address. Okay, I want to fix this. If large, this is just always what we're going to do. I don't want to do the like tile layout anymore. It looked terrible. It looked absolutely terrible. So we're getting rid of it. And then this one, that all looks fine. Okay. I think address is done. Or I mean shipping address. I think it's just done. Now we're on to the confirm view. Oh, I'm so close, Dax. You know how you keep saying, you keep annoyingly saying, send the order? Well, I'm getting ready to. I'm getting real close. It might be time for a commit. Not quite. Hold my breath between commits. One day his camera might just hit him from behind. It's really close to my face, actually. On the camera shot, add a big disclaimer overlay. This is done with an Edelkrone X, and I don't like talking about it. It's a good idea. How does the chance at a MacBook work? Great question. If you redeem it and it says it'll send a DM if you win, you win. Place it. Okay, listen, Paul. Listen. Calm down. Love the faith. Must be an LSP issue. Chances are equivalent to the U.S. lottery. It's 0.01%. It's 0.001%. That's exactly what it is. Thank you, Fakest. So there's a chance someone will win a MacBook. I have actually shipped MacBooks to people, not from this stream, but from Twitter. So it's not a thing I'm not good for. I'm good for it. Just no one's won it on stream yet, which is actually pretty surprising. So let's go into Go. What do we got left? Confirm. And then final. And we're done. I still haven't ran the app today. That's where we're at today. We're just kind of like fixing and not running. We're doing it all in one big shot. First try kind of thing. Okay, what do we do here? Confirm update. This is where we're going to actually do the... this is going to be the order API call. Do I want to do that first thing? Let's just do it right now. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. This is going to be m.client.order. No. Where's my type ahead? Is it not order? Is it cart order? What's the order endpoint, Dax? I'm at that point and there's no... Wow, API submit order request? We are close. I know, we're so close. What is it on the new one? Place the order! I gotta do the confirmation screen, but yeah, we're really close. What, Dax, what is the name of the API that... I could look at the docs, but like, I'm not gonna do that. There is no order endpoint. Dax. Is it under cart? Can you believe Dax this whole time has been telling me to place the order, and there's literally not an endpoint to place the order? Oh, I love it so much. I love that you didn't actually do it. Oh, there's just a blank API file. Okay, yeah. We got to do this. That's so funny. I love it. The function is there. I don't do APIs. You don't do APIs, huh? Okay, whatever. So there's probably like a, what is it? From ID create. That's this one. I got to look at your code. I've been finding all kinds of weird stuff, Dax. I set you up for victory. Okay. I laughed like a maniac. Sorry. Dax, this whole time, here's what happened. Dax, for like 12 hours, has been saying, place an order. I'll get to it, Dax. Place an order. Place the order. Place it. And there was no API for placing an order. He said he got it all done, but he forgot the API part. And he doesn't do APIs, whatever that means. So he wrote the business logic, but he didn't actually expose an API to submit the order. So I have to do it now. You don't do APIs. It's fine. I've been finding all kinds of weird stuff, Dax, like user ID equals 1. I found that in 2 places. I thought I found it in all the places. In fact, I should just like search user ID 1 just to make sure. User ID 1 just to make sure you didn't just like... Okay. I'm watching you, Dax. Cart. So what does this thing return? Payment intent? Create. This does a lot of stuff. This function does a lot of stuff. And then it returns the order ID. Okay. So I need to expose, I need to create a whole new API because Dax, I don't know if you know this about Dax, Dax does not do APIs. They are below him. He does not do them. He is a order API. He is exclusively a business logic person. This is going to be order. Order info shape. What is the order info? I don't know. I guess that's all. Yeah, that's it. It's all copied stuff from the other thing. Okay. Don't need to extend it. Call it an order. Means I have to do the whole stainless thing again. Fun. Okay, there's not going to be a get. Just a post. Right? right? There's just going to be a post. Do I need to get orders right now? Welcome to Chatsiku. This is below my line. Shouldn't have removed it. What did I remove? You have more than one user? That wasn't an accident. That was SQL perf optimization. That's funny. 1 minute till ads. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing ads yet. Did I snooze it? I think I snoozed it. Okay. That's junior dev work. Oh, really? If you placed your order, you'd have known earlier. Basic SQL performance. Okay. What is the idea? We're selling coffee from the terminal. Dax needs vegan reinforcements when he goes out to eat. I mean, Adam. Sometimes I confuse it too. Need to empty the cart when the order is made. Can you check if I did that? I will check. Delete from cart item. I will check. After I do this junior dev work here. So we don't need put. We just need the post. We don't need put card. Okay. I gotta do some junior dev work, and then I'll do your work, Dax. Order schema. Let's see. When you post, it's gonna be, there's no actual body. Do I even need to put the request if there's no body? Look at him. We are a good team. I am broad and you are precise. Exactly. Am I precise though? Not so sure I'm precise. Thanks for snoozing, Rick. Delete from cart item. Dax, I don't even need to put request if it's just an empty. It doesn't even need a body. All you do is just post to order, and it will create an order, right? I think that's it. So core packages business line. Yeah, that's right, Nixia. The response, though, on the other hand, is going to be an order schema. Like that. Returns the order. So you're going to create an order. The body is nothing. We're going to await order.create. Just like that. And then we're just going to return the order, which is what? Does this return the order? No, it returns the order ID. Const order ID. And we're going to do order get. No. Order. Oh, no. Yeah, from ID. Order ID. Okay. So that's the API. We got the junior dev work out of the way. Now let's look at if we're deleting the things. Okay, what do? You get the items. Those are all the cart items. Then you get the cart. Then what do? Then you create cart shipping, payment intent stuff. Okay, here you're inserting into order. Inserting into order items. I do not see any deleting. So you want me to just do it right here, Dax? Yeah, oh no. Welcome to chat, Veru. Invalid invite. What was the invite? Watch.dev. That doesn't work anymore? Most over-engineered coffee shop ever. I think this is the best JS code base that has ever existed. That's Dax's claim. So add it right here, and it's just going to be like await tx dot delete. Oh, can it just figure it out? Did it just figure it out? But there's multiple cart items. It would be all. Is that it? Did ChatGPT just do it? I mean, not ChatGPT. Did Dax? Is that good? Where cart item user ID equals user ID. It's all of their cart items, right? That's it. Do we need to delete anything from cart or no? What's up, Nerixius? Good to see you. How much time do you usually spend coding every day? I try to sit less than 5 hours, but I probably do more than that. Dax, don't say things like that. I don't like to hear that. What do you mean a fatal data modeling mistake? User can only have one cart. What's the problem with that? That's true still, right? Seems like a classic mistake. I mean, why would they ever have more than one cart? I think if they had any other features we would build, like wish lists or something, would be a separate thing, right? I think there's only ever one cart. I think that's valid in an e-commerce context, right? I think that's valid. Okay, I hope so. Me too. Well, I don't need to delete anything, right, Dax, from cart. I can just leave it. Yeah, what e-commerce shops have more than one cart? That's not a thing. You must have the nicest quality webcam I've ever seen on Twitch so far. Wow. That is high praise. Of any category, cart item is tied to user, not to cart, which is what makes it one-to-one. I think you can leave cart. Yeah, it's helpful. Okay. I'm a little confused now about the data model, but that's fine. Welcome to chat, it's Knob. How will you go from logged out cart to logged in cart? Oh, ads. We're at the ad time. I'm just gonna stay over here and talk while the ads run. Because I don't want people to miss anything. There is no logged out. Oh yeah, it's SSH. There is no such thing. I'm mostly browser software, but yeah. Oh, you mostly browse software. I gotcha. Thanks so much for that. That's a very nice, very kind compliment to make. So we're going to wait for ads, and then I'm going to finish this thing out. We are so close. We snoozed out. I know, we've already snoozed all we can snooze. The ads have been snoozed as much as possible. You can't hear my music. I had to go back in bed because I feel sick. My neck is still messed up. Man. And then I'm annoying you on Twitch. It's the trifecta. Sick, old man, hurt neck, and watching me stream. Not about kindness. I was hoping you'd be like, get the ABC camera Pro, and it was $400. Oh. Yeah, it's a Sony A7S III. All right, ads are running. We are waiting for the ads. There is music. It's just quiet. It's just quiet. Funny how it's focused on your beard and not your eyes. Now that's the kind of thing I notice. That's the kind of comment. You make that comment in my Twitch, and I notice. The smile he got when he realized he could annoy you while you were sick. So I gotta see if it's actually focused on my beard. How do I see that? Oh, I can go over here. I feel like it's focused on my eyes. Are you running stainless right now? No, but I should be. I will, Dax. Great call. Great call. Because am I done? Oh, I gotta update stainless. I said I wouldn't do anything while ads were running, but I'm gonna do something. I'm adding a whole new model and a whole new. I'm doing so many things on the ad break, but it's fine. It's fine. I never promised anything. So we're gonna have an order endpoint. Order. It's gonna have methods. It's gonna have a what? Create, which is a post order. Okay. Now I'm gonna run stainless. Is that right? Post order? Yeah. Oh, I didn't actually add it to the API. Shippo test mode is weird. The shipments show up, but the orders don't. That is annoying. Oh, I have noticed that. We were so close to seeing that order pop in Shippo. I know, it's going to be so good. It's only focused on your beard when you are moving vertically. What? Code? Yeah, I'm coding, but it's ads, so I'm not coding. I don't want to code when there's ads running because I feel bad for the people that have to watch ads. I'm taking a page out of Pirate Software's book. Thor. So I'm just not coding, but kind of am right now, just because I want to get the stainless thing running. So just hang tight. The ads are almost over, and then I'll switch over to my screen, and everything will be fine. Product. I gotta actually add it to the API. I created the API thing under order, but I didn't actually put it in here. I think our ads over now. Yes. Another potential mistake I made, every order can only have one Shippo shipment. That is a problem, but that's fixable. So I gotta actually expose order right here. Hey, welcome back everybody that was on the ads. I wasn't programming. I am programming now. Why does that do that? Restart. Let's restart the LSP. I don't like that changes color when my LSP's off. That means I gotta fix my .files. Okay. So what do we have here? Let's get rid of those. Let's get rid of this. Gotta clean up Dax's mess, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now we have a route order, which is the order API route. And I updated stainless. Models has an order model. And we have a order methods create post order. That's all. I don't have any way to get your order, just post your order. Do I need a get while I'm in here? Do I need a get? This is almost as good as Rails. I agree, Dax. I feel pretty productive. T-Mux for the win. Hey Dax, do I need a get order? Should I just expose it while I'm in here? I should just expose it. Why not? So we're gonna have is it list? Are all of ours list? Even if it's a single one? No, so like user is me. Should order be mine? That's funny. List feels wrong. I'm gonna wait till Dax comments on that to fix that. But list feels wrong for when there's just one. If I just want to get my current, oh, there's not such thing as current order. List is if you turn multiple, yeah. So list, cart, list, oh, because, well, see, this is actually, I changed cart to return the whole cart object, not just the items. So list sounds a little weird now. What should I name this? Get? We'll just name it get. We'll work on order history later, right? Yeah, this should not be named list anymore. We'll fix that. Welcome to chat, Leo Nixet. Vim devs are always rocks. Fast AF. I don't know about that. I'm not. If I'm fast, it's not because of Vim. It's because of caffeine right now. Have you ever seen a code base where the comments are used to write random things? I have not. What does Stripe do? You mean for the name? So we're gonna have a get order. I guess I need to have a param on this one. Do we have any params? Yeah, ID. Like that. And it needs to model this delete on shipping. Oh, I'm getting bogged down. We're so close. Find me. Where is shipping? Is it under user? I bet it's under user. Delete. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so you just have to put that in the path. Order index. Nope. Order. Okay, I need to copy. Let's just go back into. Let's just copy that whole thing. Let's just copy this whole thing. Me, ready to love. Okay. So I don't need that. Delete. It's gonna be get. It's gonna be order ID, or just actually that's assumed. It's just get ID, right? So we have post. We have get. I actually want to move this one up. There's no comma. Yeah, it's just that. Okay. So get ID returns an order array. Why doesn't it exist? Oh, because it's the order schema array. Okay. Returns orders or order. It's not an array. Returns order. This is going to be order get or from ID, just like that. We could add a 404 to this. If not order. What's wrong with that? Someday I'm gonna be free. Order. Okay. I need to add a response. 404. Like this. Order not found. Order not found. Okay. Did I just do all this and I'm not even gonna need it? Maybe. It's possible I'm not even gonna need the order, but I exposed it. I just don't want to generate the stainless thing with a like missing thing that I might need. You know what I mean? What did I do? Okay. So we've exposed that. We have order exposed there. And then stainless. I did list. No. No. Order get. Get order ID. Create. Post order. Feels good. Welcome to chat. Wild Duck. Can anyone tell me what he is building? I feel like it can just be .get. Yeah. That's what we did. They call it retrieve. Yeah, we're doing get. Good morning, MB Surfer. Welcome to chat, Crimson. I am using a teleprompter. We're building a coffee shop in the terminal. We're selling coffee from the terminal. That's what we're doing. Okay, we're gonna move fast here. We're almost to the end of the rope. We're gonna do here. I'm gonna say bun run SDK. And if SST didn't break, it didn't. MQTT still connected, feels good. Is your nvim tree got config? Ooh, oh, you like my nvim tree? Yeah, dot files. There's a dot files command. Go to watch.dev. Oh yeah. The Discord link. I gotta fix the Discord link. Also, me and Dax need to use watch.dev more, like the actual Discord. We don't really use it or talk in there ever. We should. How long until you guys become a terminal e-commerce platform? Great question, Sinher. So many ways we could go. I gave up on it too, Dax. But at the same time, like, I hang out in Discord. Where's the place to hang out with people from Twitch chat? Where is the place, Dax? Just answer that question for me. Imagine having a computer that can run Bun. What? Yes, the Hutchery, welcome to chat. It's the same coffee shop as the Primogen. So me and Dax and Prime and Tej and David are building terminal.shop. When will you ship to Europe in the future? Yes. An e-commerce shop that doesn't use a web browser and yet JavaScript. I know. When AWS launches their new WebSocket service, I can get rid of IoT. Oh, that sounds good. Do you have titles at terminal? And when do you think you'll make senior? I'm still just an intern. Imagine not using JS for everything. Welcome to chat, FJ Johannesson. Johannesson? Did I say that right? No, probably not. Let's do this one. 20.22. Rebase and merge. Confirm. Deleted. Let's go to go.mod. 21 is now 22. We're gonna do push d packages go mod tidy. Welcome to chat, test user. Yo, been watching you and working alongside. It's fun. I'm glad to hear that. Adam is not an intern. He's an L1. Hey, thanks. That's more of a slap in the face, isn't it? If I say I'm an intern, something about that feels a little better. What about shipping to Brazil? Welcome to chat, Gustavo Zitai. Someday. We will get to the international stuff. Right now we're trying to get to the domestic stuff, then we'll get to the international. Actually, Rick, it's currently down. SSH just terminal shop will not work until we fix all this stuff. We took it down on accident and now we're just kind of leaning into it. I've been JS sober for a year. Welcome to chat, Kevin something. You can SSH your server now. Terminal. It's actually not working, I don't think. Maybe it is working now. Did you fix it, Dax? Oh, did you actually fix it? What's the distinction between their WebSocket service and AWS runtime? Hey, Mr. Prime, how you doing? I'm not Mr. Prime. Do I look like Prime? Some people say I look like Prime, but I don't think I do. I was explaining the concept. Yeah. First time here, welcome. Welcome, Kevin. Intern getting the coffee is redundant at a coffee company. Exactly. You can't enter your mail. Okay, now I gotta look. Oh, wait, you're saying the website? Oh, is the website messed up? Uh-oh. Oh, geez. Okay, that's broken too. So if you want to know anything about terminal, you're just in trouble. Sorry. We're kind of scuffed at the moment. I gotta fix that too. Somebody else fix the website. Maybe somebody else fix the website. Is that junior work too? Quit nvim dot. I just don't even restart the Go LSP anymore. I just kill NeoVim and start over. Back in shipping, let's see if we got errors. This is the confirm step. We're so close. We are so close. Okay, this is where we're gonna do it. We're gonna do the thing right here. We're gonna do m dot order. No, m dot client dot order dot new. Oh, feels good. I thought it was dot create though. Why is it new and not create? Did you just make up submit order response? No, that's from the old one. Place the order, place the order, place the order, place the order. Everything's broken. Hey Dax, could you fix the website? Is that junior dev work or is that up for grabs? Which keyboard you got? Oh, there you go. I love the official website. You'll Rick will do it for some shares. Shouldn't have said it. Shouldn't have said what? Submit order response. Is this the one? Why is it called new and not create? I feel like it's called create. Create, but why does it call it new here? I don't know. There's no create, so I guess whatever. Order new. We got to pass it some params in context. Params equals order new params. Is that it? I think so. What? Terminal. Yeah. What's wrong with that? Undefined order new. Oh, there are no params. There are no params. I don't need any params. Even better. So this is going to return something. An order new response and an error. So order error. Just like that. And then this goes away. This goes away. Oh, this is actually the confirm step, which is correct, right? Correct-ish. That's an order new response. Okay, maybe we'll do result. That's an order. Okay, so that's if you confirm if, let's see, what's this? Submit terminal.order. Then we do final switch. Feels good. Payment switch, what? So if there's an error submitting the order, we're going to do that? Is that what we want to do? I don't know yet. Oh, this is not correct, though. I want to do m.getError. What is it? Get error message? Is that on? Oh, that's not on m. It's just get error message. API to get, okay. Okay. Visible error, just like that. So if error is not nil, return that. We probably have to handle, oh, we are right here. So confirm submitting is false. Payment error is message. I don't love that. I don't love that. Why are we going all the way back to the payment form? I don't know. If there's an issue with the order, should we go back to the payment form? I don't know. I don't love that, but it's what we did before, so I'm just going to leave it. Okay, what is this? Confirm view. This is how we render the view. Oh, because we're right. We show the shipping name, all this stuff. Okay. Oh, man, I'm so close. Welcome to chat, Loggerboy. I wonder if Adam likes writing Go. He does not, actually. Pretty sure this is L0 work. Run it, run it, run it. We're not even there yet, Dax. We're not there yet. This is pre-junior. Go's growing on me? What makes you say that, Rick? Because I would not say that. I would not say that Go is growing on me. So where do I want to get the shipping name, line 1, and city? I want to get that from... I actually need to set this when you do the... Every time. When you do this, when you save the address... Or when you set the address, set shipping right here. This is the part where I need to store the address on. So if you select one, get selected address. Oh, I can just do get selected address. Easy. So easy. Okay, back to confirm. Back to confirm. This is where we're going to say submitting order, that's fine. And then we're going to say address is m.get selected address dot address. Watch this. Watch it. Oh, feels good. Feels so good. What's wrong with that? Oh, it's street one. And then I'm gonna have to do this one manually. Let's do like address.city. Address.province. So funny to me. And then address.zip. Oh, done. Nailed it. Okay, format credit card, huh? What's that do? What does this do? I feel like we already have a format credit card. Format credit card. Format last four. Is this different? I could just pass in the last four of that. What if I just took the last four and passed it to that thing? Yeah, let's just return format last four. Is that just on? Yeah, that's just exposed somehow. I gotta clean all this up so bad. And then let's do card number. How do I get the last four? How do I just get the last four digits? It'd be card number. Yeah, it'd be like this. It's this right here, right? I'm not even looking at chat to see if you guys are telling me the answer, but whatever. Okay. Welcome to chat. First time chat. Gooch Lord. I just started coding and I barely know what's going on, but this is so fun to watch. Hey, I'm so glad to hear that because it relies on the model, not me. Oh, what are you saying? This is bubble tea. You don't use pointer methods. Who cares about what? Who cares about this? What are you talking about, Dax? Why not pointer method? Func im model. Place the order. Dax, what? Who cares about what? Did I do something wrong? Quickly, have you tried looking at your social security card? Welcome. Dax, was there something I missed? Just let me know if there was. Okay, so now I've got format credit card. Where do I get the credit card? Okay, so I have get selected address. I need to have a get card. I think I do actually. Card m.get selected. Look at that. Look at it. Get selected card. It's a card. So I can just do this. Card.number, maybe? No? Card.what? Oh, I only have the last four. I don't have the whole, of course, I don't have the, yeah. Format last four. And then this whole function just goes away. Get out of here. Get out of here. Subtotal, format USD. What is this? The subtotal. The subtotal of the whole cart? I feel like you exposed this for me, Dax. Place the order! I feel like you exposed this for me, Dax, and I don't remember where. Where's the subtotal? Is it on the cart? m.cart.subtotal? Okay, as long as I have the latest of subtotal, then that will work. Takes cents. Is this in cents? I think so. And then this one is shipping cost times 100. I want to say, no. I want to say cart.amount.subtotal. Perfect. .amount. So I may have to get the latest cart at some point. I probably haven't done that yet. Cart amount. I think there's two M's in amount. I think there's two, Dax. Do I need to multiply that by 100? What are these values? Are they cents? What is the end goal for the project? Stingly, it is to sell you coffee. That is the end goal. It's literally it. It's just to sell you some coffee. Everything from API is cents. Okay, perfect. That means this one is also. But I want to say I'm already handling the cent. Yeah, divided by 100. Remaining cents. So this does not need to be times 100. Okay. Format USD, that sounds good. Render total. What's the, where's the total, Dax? Do we have the total? It's not a lot of work if you're a baby, maybe. To find new innovative ways to lose money selling coffee. I love you, Paul. Hey, Dax. Did you see my last question? What is the, where do I get the total? Where do I get the total? M dot. Total, have to add them together. Are you? Subtotal, plus, I could do this all in one. Plus m.cart.amount. I think there's two. I definitely think there's two m's in amount. Adam can't add. Would you stop it? Can we buy coffee through an API next? That's the goal. We are definitely short. Yeah, there we go. Press enter to confirm. Done. Done. Is there anything else in this file? We're done with confirm. Final. The final page. It's the final countdown. What is this? When we switch to final, we clear your cart. So m.cart equals... No? What? How do I clear the cart now? I don't know how to clear the cart. I guess I'll just get the latest cart. Oh! The whole thing builds. The whole thing builds. It all builds. Dax. It all builds. I'm sorry, I'm so excited right now. SST dev. No, bun dev. Run it, run it, run it, run it! Set items to empty array. Yeah, we'll get there, Dax. Oh, what happened? Fatal, listen to serve, listen. Address already in use. On 8,000? Huh? What's in use on 8,000? How come you made the command SSH instead of the CLI? I'm actually running it through SSH because there's little quirks like the colors and stuff that I like to catch everything. But why LSOF 8,000? What's running on 8,000 though? I can't figure out what would this be. What is that? Am I already running? No. Wait a minute. Is it my overlays? Is it my overlays though? Hang on. Gotta kill the socket. Yeah. I think it's my overlays. Intel Remote Desktop Manager. What are you talking about? Is that what it said? Where did it say that? IRDMI? What? What is that? Netstat. Oh yeah, right. LP grep 8000. What is this? Oh wait, what? What was LP? Nginx is running? What? Nginx? For what? That's Go? Oh, jeez. TULPN? Ugh. Could you guys give me some flags that work? Could somebody please place the order? Oh my God. Could somebody tell what actual params? Because you guys keep giving me flags that like probably don't work on Mac or something. Mac flags are different. Remove the N. TULP. Jeez, guys, come on. Somebody who uses a Mac. Why would Nginx be running? Ligma. Thanks, Paul. It's not Tulp. Just tried it. Could somebody get on my level here and just give me some Mac no params? Just netstat. I feel like I need some params, but okay. Netstat D's. FU. Come on, guys. Real ones. LN. Welcome to chat, Miko. Thanks for being helpful, because nobody else is. LN. Oh my God. Is anything running right now? Real Unix pros. Yeah. LSOF. We did LSOF a second ago. Oh my God. We're right at the end here. We're right at the end. Somebody said this is Nginx? It might be my overlays. It might be. No, it's not. I changed it to 8001, right? Yeah. It's changed to 8001. It used to be my overlays would be conflicting. What is it? What is running on 8000? Dot files, stat muse. No. Dot files. No. Should I just kill it? Should we just kill it? We might just kill it. What is that? I'm not running this either. I'm just gonna kill it. Am I doing it? Oh, kill 1459. I'm gonna regret this, aren't I? It's probably something with my stream. Stream's about to go out. Oh, ad start. Kill it and find out. Here we go. Run the. Oh my god. Welcome to chat. Be funny if I go offline, wouldn't it? Let's do it right when the ads start. I actually have to pee. Netstat. So on what port are MacBook redeems work? Run the CLI. I'm running it. I did it. Bundev. Okay, you're gonna have to wait till after I pee for the big reveal because we have ads in 28 seconds. Enhance people pee a lot. That's right. So it's running now. When we get back, we're gonna hit this button and we're gonna SSH into the thing. But I gotta pee. Nope, gotta pee. Sorry. Ads in 13 seconds. Gotta pee. I'll be right back. It's actually amazing how much the ads line up with my pee schedule. First try. All right. What did I miss? You guys talking? You guys polled? Oh, you're polling on first try? Is it going to be first try? Yes, of course. Oh, so many no's. Come on now, people. Okay, let's see. Really hope he has a good pee. Welcome to chat, Matt Katak. Matt Katak. Okay, gotta side with Adam on this one. Day was probably hacking into your PC via remote client. Now got kicked out. Yeah, who was it? Was it Dax? Who was on my port 8000? I really want to know what that was. Did you guys even get ads? I don't even know. Should have enabled Adam Bucks gambling. No kidding. Okay. Place it. Place it. My bad. Here we go. Here we go. We're doing the thing. Is this the best song for this moment? No. Do I want to change the song? Also no. Okay. So here's the thing. Oh, the poll is over. Yes! We got more people that believe than don't. There's music. You guys don't hear music? Wait, really? I feel like I'm dragging this out, but you really don't hear music? You don't hear this music? Okay, I'm skipping the song. Nope. Nope. Oh, yes. Okay, you don't hear that music, though? It's there, it's just quiet. Okay, let's turn it up, then. Because this is a moment. It's kind of a moment. Actually, I think the issue is here. Perfect. Is that too loud now? I'm sorry, guys. I'm just having fun. Not like us. SSH'd. What's not like us? SSH. SSH. Here we go. Oh, it's still going. This is bad. It should not still be going. What happened? Actually, what happened? It's... Oh, Dax, you know what this is? Dax, it's the IoT bug. F you, Dax. F you, Dax. You ruined our moment. This was going to be a first try for the ages. And then guess what happened? Dax, guess what happened? F IoT. Well, F your code for not handling a disconnect or something. I feel like that's solvable, right? Not first try. It wasn't my fault, though. Does that count? It does handle the reconnect? Then what's the problem? Clearly it doesn't, because it didn't. IoT is just dumb. Okay, well, that's fair. Okay, let's try again. Not first try, but can we talk about the fact that it wasn't actually my code? My code was not the problem. It was an SST ion bug. Look, first try. Okay, we have stuff in the cart. We have some things in the cart. We're going to go to the cart. We got 2 products. 404 in dark mode. Let's go. Checkout time. I want to test the whole flow, so I'm going to add a new... No, I'm not, because I can't. That's the only one I can... Yeah, no, I can't. Okay, we're using this payment method. Now I have to add a new address. Apparently there are none on my account. Add new. Adam Elmore. I can't put in my real address. 123 Sesame Street or something. In Orlando, Florida, obviously. US 941. I don't know. Okay. Oh, only US shipping is supported. That's what I chose. What do you mean? Hey, Dax. What's that about? I think your code is broken, Dax. By the way, this function util, are you trying to solve something source type doesn't? Const schema, Z string transform. I'll let Dax answer that. Welcome to chat JMS. Hi. Leaked. It's the show you watched last night. Welcome to chat. Realgrass, one Microsoft way. Maybe it has to be lowercase. I thought we coerced it. I'm gonna look at the. Should I look at the code? Let's just look at the code. The error was what? Only US shipping supported. Only US shipping supported. If country does not equal US in lowercase, you bum. Way to go, Dax. Sorry, was that too far? Calling you a bum. Was that too much? Did I get the music a little loud now? Just a touch. Just a touch. Okay. Address is not coerced, clearly. Oh, it is. Country, to lowercase. What's that mean? What's that mean? Dax? Why is it? No, I did coerce it. Should that do the thing? What did I do wrong? Did I not pass it on the right field? Add shipping. If input.country, let's just do this. Let's just do this. Let's just find out. Bad request, shipping invalid, only US shipping supported. Okay. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Sesame Street? I don't know. No! Ah! Florida. US. Now let's look at the logs. Country is null? Okay. That's not good. Add shipping. What is this? What is this file? User.add shipping. Here. The request body is an address schema. Shipping.go. Let's go down here. Okay. So, country. Country. Is the form... Huh. Oh, is it not country? What? Oh, we used to pre-populate it? It's country. Key is country. Length 2? Welcome to chat, Zanvier. What do you mean, Dex? Fix the length? We should fix the address schema to be min2 or whatever? Okay, yeah, I'll fix that. Why does it clear the form? Yeah, I gotta fix that. I gotta fix it. On the Zod schema. Yeah. I know what you're talking about, Dex. I know what you're talking about. It's right here. Min2. Just like that. Country versus uppercase? No, it's passing no country at all. No country for old men. So let's go back to shipping. Down here somewhere. Yeah, okay. Form get string. Country was empty, presumably. Let's do this. Log. Dot warn. Let's just do form like that. Well, it wasn't first try. It's official. Officially was not first try. I want to see if it's coming through right at all. All fields might be broken. How do you not type length 2? Is it length? Should it just be length? I thought it was min. Still believe, Remer. Thanks. Zip code isn't tied to country. So I think there's another, there's a different problem here. So there's a different problem, and that problem is warn, it's empty. It's empty. It's empty. Why is the form not getting payment form? Oh my god. It was that dumb. It was that dumb of a thing. Whatever. It was that dumb. It's fixed now. It was dumb, but it's fixed. What? I was too quick. Caffeine too strong. Too quick. Too fast, too furious. We're back. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Choose that payment method. Add. Adam Elmore. 1, 2, 3, test way. Orlando, Florida. US. Some digits. Gasp. It's still calculating. It seems a bit long. Seems just a touch long. User shipping post. Okay. Okay, this is skill issues on the front end. Let's see. Calculating shipping costs. So there's a problem here. There's a problem where submitting is set and then not unset. So it's unset there. Visible error, submitting false. Submitting equals true. Should I be setting it false somewhere else too? Yes. Where? Choose address. So we just created a new shipping address and we want to choose it. This should set it in here. It should set it right here. That's the problem. But wait. There must have been an error because there must have been an error because it would have moved on to the next screen. But there wasn't an error. I don't understand why it didn't move to the next screen. Why is that so slow? It shouldn't be doing. Yeah. It's not your fault. It's my fault. Look at that. My address, my existing address. Oh, whole thing broke. What did it do? Choose address. Invalid memory address or nil pointer reference at bubble T program. Let's see. Choose address. Shipping line 150. So get selected address is empty here. It goes through addresses and it finds m.cart.shipping ID. So I need to set cart shipping ID first. Nope. Okay, these both depend on that being a thing. Why did I do that here? So we know selected. Shouldn't that... So get payment, get card. What? Get selected card. What did that code do? Because that code works. It just looks for mcart card ID equals, okay. So here I shouldn't use get selected address. I should do something else. Let's do choose card, or choose payment. Yeah. What are we doing here? Get, what? Wait, what? How's that work? This is all so ugly. It's just doing that. What? How's that work? Choose payment method. Oh, because it's already, no. Okay, think. Shipping 150. We've stalled, Dax. We stalled a little bit. This is bad code. This is stupid. This is not how it should get the card ID. Get selected card is for other purposes. Instead, so like right here, we call set card. Terminal card ID. How did we get the card ID? Oh, that's set card. Okay, so instead of this, it should be, it's like m.cards, m.state.payment.selected .id. There we go. Right? Okay, same thing with choose. I don't understand why choose payment method worked, actually. That's what I don't understand. But this should be the same thing. It should be m.addresses, m.state.shipping.selected.id, like that. I don't really understand what I was thinking there. Let's just try that. I still don't understand why. I don't understand why it worked at all for the payment case, because I was using that code. I was hitting select the thing. Whatever. Here we go. Choose. Dax, I'm going to hit enter and it's going to submit an order. Are you ready? Are you prepared? Dax, are you prepared? Are you? Because you've been telling me to do this for forever. I'm gonna hit enter. Order. Ready for the error. It's gonna be an error. Post order. Oh, 200. Confirmation page. What? Oh, wait. There's a failure somewhere in the hook. Is it the hook? Create ID. Oh, it's the order created event fired, and then there was an issue in the downstream event handling DAX. Shippo returned something bad. Okay. Sphincter prepared. Dax, do you want me to look at it right now? Or are you looking at it right now? Who's looking at that right now? It successfully failed, Rick. We're on to something. We did it. We successfully failed. I need you to look at it. Okay, let's look at it. So where is it? It's an event handler reading object ID. Okay, shippo index line 60. Oh, oops. Shippo. There is no 60 in there. What? Shippo? No, not in here. Event handler. It's in the event handler. Order ID is the problem. What? Order created, and it has an order ID. That's our internal ID. Actor, user. Cannot read properties undefined reading object ID in core shippo index ts line 60. Core shippo. Okay, there is a line 60 in this file. So here, oh, that's not good. Hey, Dax. Did you check by chance? Did you like consider TypeScript? Did you? Hey, Dax. Open SST console. Okay, fine. Oh, you're fun, Dax. You're fun. Stop using brain. Look at chat. Okay, fine. Welcome to chat. Aaron, first try to successful failure is first try nonetheless. I did something on my first try. You've said open console so many times. Oh man. Welcome to chat, the Nunchi. Is this the same company as the Promise? Yes, it is. Not even looking at chat. Sorry, Dax. Console might not work. Wow. Error 2 days ago. 14 minutes ago. Issues. Nope. Local. Logs. What am I looking for, Dax? Is there a local tab? There is. There is, in fact. I was on the case. I mean, I was getting there before you rudely interrupted me and said I should use the console. Am I just sifting through this like a chump? Seat post. That was good. Is this going to have the logs for that particular? No, this is all API. Here we go. Here it is. Cannot read properties of undefined reading object ID. Well, look, that's what I knew already. I actually knew that. Request looks like this. Type user, that looks fine. Order ID, all that looks good. So, can I look at the code now? Stop doing things. Hit view function. Listen to me. Okay, I'm sorry, Dax. Calm down. Just calm down. You're already sick. You don't need to make it worse. View function. I clicked on it. There you go. Now what? View function. And then what? I did it, Dax. I hit view function. Okay, now we can replay this to test. Oh, that's super cool. I can replay the... I can replay it? Add a log for the response. This is so cool. Dax, did you know this is so cool? Dax, you should have told me to do this all along. I mean, I can tell you, like, TypeScript is broken. So, like, I don't know. Maybe I could just fix the code instead of, like, what is going on in here? What? Dex, this whole file is broken. Did I break it? Okay, I'll put a log in, but log the order. Okay, right here. Console.log order. Okay. Now we will retry the function. Replay. Order. Do you see it, Dax? Line items, total price. Now what do you want me to do? Stop using brain. Adam, shut up. Yeah, why didn't you tell me earlier, Dax? I don't know. I didn't know you were streaming again. I'm back. Live Moz. What's up, Jordan? How you doing, man? Is this built into SST? What's it called? Can you do console log JSON stringify order null to? Yes, I can. What do you mean, can I? That's a little condescending, Dax. A little bit. Can you JSON stringify something? Are you not too dumb to do that? Maybe I am too dumb. Oh my god. I actually am too dumb. Okay. I can do that. Thank you very much, Dax. Let's replay it again. Okay, there it is, Dax. A valid number is required for total price. Why didn't you send them a valid total price, Dax? Why didn't you do that? Solid impression, thanks. Also read that as politely asking. What is that camera angle change? Oh, that's yeah, I've got a little moving camera over here. Gotta prettify that JSON. Hey, Dax, what's my next move? I'm not using my brain. I'm waiting for commands from Dax. So log out your request to them. Oh, that's a good idea. Log the stuff we pull out of the DB. Yeah. Could I just use my brain now? Is that okay with you? Would it be okay with you if I just maybe used my brain? So it's mostly out of the shipping object. Oh, also line items. So we'll log it all. I want it all. Oh, shipping is just part of the items. So let's just do the whole items. Let's just do this. Items. Watch this. Watch this. How you been, Jordan? You're still local, right? You didn't like move away. Okay, here's items. Address. Oh, lowercase country. Is that the problem? Nope, that's not the problem. I don't know why I got excited about that, but that is kind of ugly. We should fix it. Items. Does each item have an address? Is that right? Segfault. Quantity 0. Oh, quantity 0. Amount 0. Oh, Dax, there are card items that have 0. Oh, and also the amounts are not right. You can use your brain now. Check the log. Also check the log in SSC console instead of opening a terminal. It's a lot easier. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. So I can like replay and then just look at the logs. That seems like a good thing. Am I in the right spot? Where would I see the logs? Dax. Are these? Oh, they're in ascending order. Oh, so it moves up the thing. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Yes, sir. Probably in Ozarks forever. Me too. Never been better. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing so good, Jordan. Good to see you. We're going to snooze these ads. Set item should remove the entry when it's set to 0. Oh, that's on my side, you mean? He leaked address now. I'm going to order lots of pizza to 123 Testway. Cart set item to 0 should remove the entry. Does it not? Let's look. Is that the problem then? Is that the only issue here? Is that we're sending the empty items as well? Is that it? Let's see. Cart set item. Where is that? That'd be in here. Set item. Set item. So it gets the variant. On duplicate key update. Hey, somebody did something. Thank you for that. I don't know what it was though. Adam is using the wrong brain. So here we are. Insert into cart table. It's a no op on. So here. If the quantity is 0, it doesn't do anything special, Dax. So we need to. Yeah, we're not. Okay. Welcome to chat. Pro Master Fox. How to connect the logs of your terminal to the web. We're using SSC console. Also, welcome to chat. We're not. Add an if quantity 0 and delete the entry instead. Okay. So we got the variant if. Oh, I love Copilot. Oh my god, I love it. Look at that. Look at it. So I didn't need to do anything else, right? If quantity, do we delete card item where external ID is external ID? Is that right? It won't exist yet if it's new, but that's okay. This looks good. Does this look good? That's the Mac winning noise. I don't think anybody wanted the Mac. I think somebody subbed, but I didn't see a notification for it. What do you think, Dax? That code look good? It's written by Copilot. Nope, not good. Okay. Cart item. Let me use my brain. Cart item where external ID equals external ID, and then return. Bum bum. What's the problem here? Need to delete where cart item product variant ID equals X and cart item user ID. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, Copilot tried. Card item product variant ID equals product. Is it on the input? Where is it? Input product, yeah. Input product variant ID. I guess I could have just done variant.id. Yeah, input. Neededly. Oh, Jordan, it was you. Thank you so much. I don't know why it didn't show up in my activity feed, but thank you so much. I appreciate that Prime sub. Very special of you to give me your Prime sub, your one and only. What's wrong with this? Card item has a product variant ID, right? Yeah. And then what's wrong with this? I guess I could read the error message. What do you think? Type argument. See, this is useless to me. I wish someone would fix this. Is this a drizzle thing? Dax, why is this so useless? Oh, snooze the ads. Snooze them. I think your card is cleared now too, right? Since the order is submitted, so next order should be good. This is a TypeScript thing? It's really annoying. Like, this is useless output. I can't do anything with that. I just gotta look at the different types. String. And that's probably a string. No, that's a big int. What? This is why you did all that. So we're gonna say, yeah, we're gonna say variant dot ID. Okay, now we need to do and. Cart item user something. Cart item dot user ID is equal to input. No. Oh, it's use user ID. Right? No? Would it be use user ID? No, because this is probably going to be is it use user primary key? Use user. Yeah. I got to wait that. Okay. Okay. How's that? What is this? That's get. I don't need that. I'm looking at, what was I looking at? Set shipping. Here we go. So does that look good now, Dex? No, it wasn't set shipping. What was it? What code were we in? Welcome to chat, KG Brews. I'm wondering if I should kill Big Int PKs before we go live. I think you should, Dax, because I don't want to deal with it after, and I don't like it at all. Wait it. Yeah. What was that code we were just writing? Set item. Here we go. So does that look good? If quantity is less than or equal to 0, delete the card item where product variant ID and user ID. Anything else? Think so? Okay. Let's test it. Do I just replay? Should I just replay it, Dax? You think? Would you just replay it? What would Dax do in this moment? No, you can't? Okay, so we got to do a new order. New order then. I'm going to restart this. This is the busted order. Have to make a new order. We're about to find out if we clear the cart after an order. WWDD, what would Dax do? We do clear the cart. All right, so if I go to the cart is empty. Let's add something to the cart. Let's buy some segfault. Just like that. Oh, the optimistic update did not look good there. Oh, my optimistic updates are broken. Wait, is it just on new? Just on new ones it's broken? Okay, well, I'll fix that, but segfault in dark mode, check out. Okay, that's weird. Check out. Choose that, press enter to confirm. We'll check over here. Dax. Gasp. Did it work? Dax, did it work? It worked! Oh my god! It worked! Oh, who would have thought? You check Shippo. I mean, you're probably already checking Shippo. I guess you mean just for the satisfaction of everyone on stream to watch the thing in Shippo? Let's go over to Shippo, and you guys can see it. I'm not going to deprive you of this. You just watched for 4 hours and 15 minutes. You deserve to see the fruits of our labor. Oh no, am I going to leak? Ooh, those are tests. Okay. For a moment there, I thought I was about to leak real customers' addresses because we did use Shippo for the real thing, and that was terrifying. I did not want to put people's actual customer stuff. These are all tests. This is all fake data. Everything's fake. I can't actually click on this or do anything with it because the address isn't found. Pre-roll ads are starting in 1 minute. That's a bummer. I can't slow them down. It's not a bummer. Let's come over here. I use the hotel address you stayed at. That's a great idea. I'll do that. I'm not going to do it right this second because we got ads starting in 40 seconds. So the ads thing, I just want to say for anybody who maybe hasn't heard me say it yet, we got 30 seconds till ads start. If you run pre-roll ads, people don't have to watch. No, if you run mid-roll ads, people don't have to watch the pre-roll ads. So we're doing that now. Instead of pre-roll ads, we run these ads in the middle. Feels like it's constant, but I do have to pee like every 30 minutes, so it kind of works out. Check John Smith. Poor John Smith. He's going to get so many pizzas now. Welcome to chat, Alpha Kick. Send free coffee to the hotel. There you go. Pre-roll ads are just so terrible. Are they? Actually, what is the opinion? Should I just leave pre-roll ads on? Do we like the pre-roll better than the mid-roll? Do we have a preference? I feel like if you are a sub, or if you... Oh, what's that address, Dax? That's the thing? The hotel? Pre-roll's bad? Okay. Objectively worse than mid-roll? I agree. I mean, I think the mid-roll is longer, maybe? I want to say, are the pre-rolls not as long? Like, my mid-rolls are 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, mid-roll's better. I like pre-roll because I don't get ads anyway, so there's no pauses in streams. Yeah, I get it, Ocelot, because I kind of sit here and just talk about stuff while we wait for the ads. Nate from X, what's up? Soda, what's up, Nate? Welcome to chat. Watching on here and on X at the same time. I'd probably mute one of them so you don't hear me twice. Probably don't need to hear me twice. Probably don't need to hear me once, to be honest. So if I do the mid-rolls, we now have 30 minutes of pre-roll free twitching. So people can come into the channel and have to watch pre-rolls. We all kind of watch ads at the same time. That's nice. We can have this little break. After this ad break, we got 35 seconds. I'm going to go in and use a real address. Dax wants to see the package. Yeah. We'll do the whole thing. I want to see the packing slip. We're going to do the whole full flow once more with a real address. It'll test out our saved addresses and all that stuff. We're going to do that in about 18 seconds. Nate, what are my thoughts on the ads? I didn't know there were ads on the stream on X. I guess, how do they work on X? We're still working through them on X, or you haven't actually, I've been pushing for mid-roll. So they're not rolled out yet. You're just asking what my thoughts are in terms of streaming and ads. There are, okay. So this is very recent, Nate, just in the last week. The last 2 days, I've started doing the mid-roll instead of the pre-roll. Because honestly, I was so confused by how Twitch ads work, and I just turned my brain off and like ignored the settings for so long. And then somebody said, like, Thor, Pirate Software, who streams game dev, he does it this way, where you just kind of pause the stream and just talk for a bit and do nothing important. Like, I stop programming, whatever, while the mid-rolls run, and then nobody ever has to watch pre-rolls. It's kind of nice. So I'm preferring that for what it's worth. Welcome to Chat Zesty. I feel like this is a large group Zoom meeting with you staring into my soul. I do have a teleprompter. And when I have Zoom calls, I also stare into people's soul. So I use the same teleprompter. That's kind of what Theo said too. Yeah, I'm sold on the mid-roll thing. I think it makes sense. It does feel like they're constant. They're every 30 minutes, which I guess is whatever. Are you doing important stuff when there aren't ads? Oh! Are you doing important stuff? Teach. I love your sense of humor. Yeah, I'm never doing important stuff. That's the joke, right? That's what you're saying. TJ, we got our first order through. We sure did. Checking Stripe right now. Let's do this. Let's do a whole new order. And let's test an actual address. I mean, it was a test order. Yeah. I've been told I look mad during meetings. To be honest, sometimes I'm just zoned out. Did I actually switch to my screen? Yeah. Okay. Cool. So we're gonna order what? We're gonna order one seg fault. I gotta figure out the optimistic update on the first. For some reason, on the first, like when you're creating a card item for the first time, the optimistic update does not work. But I'll figure it out. So let's just check out one bag of seg fault. I gotta do the free shipping thing. We gotta put that in the UI somewhere. We're going to use that payment method. I'm going to add a new address, 2800 something, something, something. What did you... Oh, yeah, Dax. I also got the EventBridge Stripe thing. I got the EventBridge. They finally accepted... Like, they had sent the email, and then I had to click another button. 28 Terrace. Oh, what am I doing? 2800 Southwest 28 Terrace. So it's finally actually enabled in our account. So we might play around with that. I don't know. Maybe before we go live. Miami, Florida, 33. Oh, US 33133. Done. Object Obder is a banger name for a flavor. I know, right? We can make a sandbox for each stage. That's right. To add yank and paste support to the forms. Ooh, MB Surfer, good call. Pull request accepted. Oh, it's broken. It's calculating shipping costs, but it's broken. What broke, Dax? What broke? You know what broke is, I bet, the stupid WebSocket thing. Dax. Post user shipping. Yeah, it never did accept. Oh my god. Dax. Dax. Make it stop, Dax. Make it stop. Ah! Why is it so bad for me? I don't know. Did I do something? Is it Mac? Maybe you should start using a Mac, Dax. I think you should probably start using it. Don't make me talk about my internet. I'll do it. I'll talk about my closet and everything. Maybe you should start using a Mac so you can sympathize with users. Kind of like using, not like occasionally, yeah, not like when you watch Twitch, like program on a Mac, primary machine Mac. It's like the whole use slow 3G thing. You should have empathy for your users. SSH localhost P222. You do program on a Mac? Wait, what am I missing? SSH into a Linux machine? Wait, what? You should all do that? Wait, so Dax, you're now, like, your primary machine is a Mac right now? Like, your desktop? I don't believe that. Okay, check out, choose that payment method, choose that address. I don't know if I like the way they're formatted. I think I need to, like, they shouldn't be centered, maybe. Maybe they shouldn't be centered. I think they should be left aligned. I'm going to change that, but it's fine. The US being lowercase thing is weird. We got to uncoerce that, Dax. Welcome to chat. Dude in basement. No, not a Mac. He meant crack. Not my desktop, but I work on a laptop a lot. Oh, really? Pick the address and go. Okay, fine. Confirm. Shipping is $10, $32. Confirm. Submitting order. Done. We did it. We did it. $5.32. Queued. What does that mean? What does queued mean? Is that okay, Dax? Download label. Download label. Do I look at the label? What do I do? Okay, fine, uppercase. Why queued? Let's refresh. Download. It's done. It's done. Download? Just download? It was just queued for a second. This is a queue. You know, queues. Look at that packing slip. Dax, look at you. Doing like visual things with the terminal logo. This is so good. Terminal Products Inc. What Chung? What is that address? Is that one of the QC addresses? Would you look at that? Looking forward to downloading your coffee. This is hot. This is so good. Ship to that address. Order date. Shipped via USPS. Tracking number. Very nice, Dax. I'm very impressed. This is a good looking packing slip. Did you just have to like drop a logo and that's all you did? Watchung, New Jersey. They used to be our rivals in HS. Who? In high school? Oh, that's a fake. Is that a fake address? 403 Watchung Avenue? High school, yeah. Sports rivals. Why'd you say it like that? What's up, Trash? What did I say? That is a real address? But I've never seen that address in any of our dealings with our partner. Is it? Did you make that up? That's the warehouse? Really? Does he have a third warehouse? Whatever. We did it, everybody. Wachung like that? What did I say? Wachung? Wachung. What's wrong? What's wrong that I'm saying Wachung? Is it racist? Wachung. I don't know what you're talking about. Wachung. I'm not making fun. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. We did it. R.I.P. Terminal Coffee. Changes accent. It's actually called a dialect. It's not an accent, but I'm gonna stop saying the word. We did something today. We actually shipped the coffee fictitiously to me at a fictitious address in Miami. We also almost hit 10,000 followers. Now, did we have like 3,000 follow bots spam me in the middle of the stream? Yes. But we almost hit 10,000. And I'm going to take some pride in that. Fake follows or not. Wachung with you, Adam. What's wrong with me? Make an email for TJ. He has one. Tej, he has one. Hang on. I'll tell you what it is. Everyone has one at this point. I've created them for all. But let's just deal with this while we're on a little work call right now. All of us but Primer here and David. Prime and David. Terminal.shop. It's... Do you want me to say it on here? Do you want me to say it on here, Teach? I have one, I'm pretty sure. It's not TeachDV. Do you want me to say it on Twitch chat? Or do you not want emails? Leaked. Fizzy loves coffee. Thank you so much for the tier 1 sub. I can't trust you guys. You guys are going to spam. Can I order coffee yet? Trash? Almost. Probably next week. Your email's public? Okay. Tej, it's just Tej at terminal.shop. Like this. I can make you another one, or I can just delete that one if you don't like this one. But that's what it is right now, as of right this moment. If you hadn't caught, I'm gonna call it at this point. I'm done. I'm done for the day. This was fun though. I need to raid somebody. TJ, are you going live? I could raid you. TJ, if you just log into Slack with that email, it'll put you in our workspace. I'm sorry, Russell Dussel. Hustle and bustle. You just got here? So sorry. I have been streaming for 4.5 hours. It was a great stream. I started pretty early this morning. It's 9:30. I gotta eat breakfast. Productive day. We actually got the thing done. I mean, my part. I gotta like push it to dev and do some other stuff and clean up. There's a lot of code cleanup. That'll be a future stream, or I'll do it off stream. I don't know. Proud of y'all, right? We did the coffee mostly. Tej, are you gonna stream? I could raid you if you wanted to. Since you're here. Twitch.tv. You don't have to, no pressure. But if you're going to, I'll wait. Or I could just raid Prime. Who am I raiding? Aaron Francis is live on Twitch. I just have to set up QC and we can order our own samples. Mute that right now. Mute that right this second. Oh my goodness. QC and we can order our own samples. Oh yeah. Our partner. Today was so fun. TJ always shows up at the end to get the raid. Sure, I'll get on. Should I do the thing you're talking about, Dax? His court's on. Yeah, but what's he doing on Twitch? I thought he just streamed on YouTube. He's all professional. It's all professional-like. I'm not going to raid Aaron. When he's publicly said he doesn't like Twitch, I'm not going to hit him with all of us all at once. It just feels like that'd be mean. Raid Aaron Francis? Really? T, do you want me to? I mean, I can do it. I just feel it feels a little hostile when he's literally said he doesn't like Twitch. Okay, we're doing it. We're gonna raid Aaron. Oh wait, he's offline now. No, it says he's live, but there's nothing on it. Wait, is he live? It's scuffed. I don't think he's actually live, or maybe he wants to be, but he's just trying to figure it out. He's on Twitter. Do it. Welcome to chat, Benjamin. Yeah, he disconnected for a bit. He's live. I think it's broken. He's still live. Okay, so I'm doing it. We're doing it. I'm raiding him. All right, we'll see you guys. I'm gonna hit my button. It's been fun. It's been real fun. I'm gonna hit raid, Aaron D. Francis. I'll see you all next time. Maybe we could do it again sometime. Outro.